As you may know, I am your plug when it comes to places to stay. And today we are yet to do one of those videos. So stick around and let's explore what we have today. So the first place when you come to this place, this is in Diani, a place called Apple Mango Cottages. And the first place you find is a sitting area, which is pretty relaxing. I was actually seated here as I was enjoying my drink, chilling out here with my sister, and just necessarily having a good time because why not? And we are on this like sort of vacation, holiday. Uh, it's just a combination of all those things. So yeah, once you have like moments to chill, this is actually a very good chill area. And without further ado, let me take you to our house inside. So as you may know, we are now operating on a budget and trying to figure out. I don't have $40 damaris as I did my other place to stay in Diani, as you may have watched. And if you have not checked out that video, I'm going to leave it in the description box or in the card up here. So today here we are exploring a house that is below $30. So this is $25 if you come and book like on your arrival. But if you book on advance on booking.com or Airbnb, the price can be pretty cheap. Also, guys, let me mention that these prices that I'm talking about is when it is not yet peak season, and the peak season normally starts in December. So make your trips around November, October, and around that time you're going to have good deals, not overcrowded places, and you're going to have a good time. So this is the sitting room. Whew, actually, someone told me in one of my videos, talk less, show more. Okay, let's do that. So I'd say this is one of the basic sitting rooms I've visited of late. And guys, they have a set of rooms here that you are welcomed with, and one that caught my attention. Okay, the checkout time is 11 a.m., but you can come in. Check-in is flexible. But what caught my attention in this thing is if you stay for more than a week, they start charging you your electricity bill and your gas. And without further ado, can I now take you to the open kitchen because you're talking about electricity and gas? Because we are through, this was perfect place for us to call our dining table or our dining area and be sure we took and enjoyed our meals from here. Yeah, it's just that I didn't take shots of that, but yes we did. And then we just have a kitchen that has cups, plates provided for you, water, and they have actually like given a notification that you should not drink this water. Okay, make a noise. You should not drink this water because it's salty anyway. And then what else interesting is here for me to mention? Yeah, we have the basic in the kitchen. We have a cooker, we have a fridge that I don't know what is here. We have our leftovers, and then we have water. I told you water is a basic need. As I've told you, you can't drink the tap water. So come with your own water, buy water, and yeah, that's it for the kitchen. It's pretty simple, nothing much to see, and nothing much to see. So this is a two-bedroom house, and I'm here with my sister, and I got the privilege of traveling with her and us exploring different places together, which was epic, as you have seen in other videos as we are going around the coast. So I'm going to take you to my bedroom first before we go to hers. Come with me. So this is my one bed. I've already slept on this bed, and I'm saying it's comfortable. And because why not? Can we just do the jump? Pretty interesting. I always love doing those jumps. And yeah. So guys, as much as you tell me not to talk a lot when I'm doing a house tour, I have to explain this to you. This house has a key. When we come together, like for example, you can feel like I this room and you're not going to be free. No, the hotel already, or the Airbnb or the cottage already know you can use that trick for you to survive. So what they do, in case you have like an extra person, let's say for example, I have a husband, that's the only person who can share the bed with, they had to top up another 900 shillings. So don't come here thinking you will just walk away with having an extra person. They're going to add, even if you're going to be 5 people, 6, they're going to keep adding 900 on top of the extra person who comes. So you know that. And then here is my closet. And as you know, guys, I'm a backpacker, and I never have any business whatsoever to remove my clothes from my wherever, remove my clothes from my bag. Whatever you. But we have hangers, we have sufficient space, I have my extra pair of shoes there. And because I don't pack a lot, I have extra storage to myself, which I think is pretty interesting. And then guys, I didn't show you this stuff. It's like sort of a stand, bedside stand, which is on both sides, and I love it to just place whatever you need, and a charger there, you have a fan, and just good direction and good beautiful greens outside. That's my view. So let's head to my sister's room. To my sister's room. That's my room. Now to my sister's room. My sister's room, which is pretty okay, sorry about that. Which is pretty the same as what was in my room, but the difference is it has a mirror, guys. It has a mirror. And actually, when we were figuring out what room are you going to stay in, she was like, "Me, I love mirrors," so she was like, "We mirror room." But yeah, so anytime I need to check myself, I'm like, come here, and pretty the same things, but difference. The difference between me and my sister is the fact that she's more organized than I am. She knows that the money does not remove her things because of how many days I am going to stay there. For her, she makes use of her hangers, she makes use of her space. And yeah, this is from when we were way back looking at this shoes. Maybe my mom can comment in the section below who is more organized between me and her. But yeah. So also we have a dirty clothes basket, which I think is pretty interesting, and the room number. Then we are sharing our washroom. The washroom is like common between these two rooms, so I'm just going to take you there, and then you can head over to go see the swimming pool and other facilities that we get because of being in this cottage. Actually, this is the bed, and it looks so big. Remember, guys, the trick: this can accommodate 2 people, but if you come to people, more money. But because of what, it looks so tempting for me not to jump on it. It's my sister's bed, but you know what? Forgive me. But I believe it was fine. Let's go. So this is the washroom, which I've told you we are sharing. Just the normal washroom, which I didn't like, because especially when it comes to flashing, that is how I knew whether that was a good washroom or not. And then the good thing with this place, we have a whole bathing area with a shower. So they told us the hot shower is working, which is not. That's why now I tell you guys, at times when you just go and you find for sure the shower is working, you're like, oh my goodness, let me enjoy the bath. Yeah, but it's pretty okay. You know the good thing with Diani or the coast, it's never cold. And here I am again with so many storytelling. Let me just give you a footage of this place again. Some of the shared facilities that you find in this place is the swimming pool, which is a cool chill area that I really enjoyed spending time at. Then we have this restaurant where you can come chill, order some food and stuff. Yeah, but basically this is a good place. You have internet, so you have free Wi-Fi. You can continue doing your work, chill during the day, and good hosts. The facilitators are still around, like you can get a chef upon a request and all that, and then it's walking distance to the beach. So, and there are supermarkets are close to this cottage. Definitely this is somewhere you should consider checking if you are up for traveling on a budget. Thank you guys for getting to this part. So the remaining of the footage is just us enjoying a swim, and we just wanted to share with you that experience. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. And also you can watch more videos in the description box. I attached more travel videos that you can catch up on, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.